Today, we're looking at 5 very common English expressions that you can use in your daily life. First, we have I feel you. And many English learners use this one incorrectly, because if you look in a dictionary, it might just say, I understand. However, what I feel you really is a very informal way of saying, I understand how you feel, and I understand why you feel that way. If someone says, I like ice cream, and you reply, I feel you, that doesn't really work, because I feel you doesn't just mean I agree or me too. We use I feel you to show empathy, to show someone that we understand how they feel, usually because we want to comfort them or support them. So we usually use this when someone is telling us about a difficult or uncomfortable situation that they are experiencing. If you are living in a country where it is very difficult to find ice cream, and your friend says, I haven't had ice cream in 5 years. I really want some ice cream. That is a situation in which it would make sense to say, I feel you. Saying I feel you in that situation would basically mean, I understand the discomfort that you are experiencing right now. To take something for granted means that because you have always had something, it feels normal to you, so you don't value it or appreciate it as much as you should. Basically, you have something that is special, but because you have always had it, you don't think that it is special. For example, many Americans take having clean air for granted. They have clean air every day, and they have had clean air every day for their whole lives, so they don't really think about how lucky they are to have clean air. I lived in Thailand for 10 years, and Thailand has a very bad air pollution problem. So now that I live in the United States, when I wake up every morning and I breathe in the clean air, I actually think about how lucky I am to have this clean air. When I was younger, I took having clean air for granted, but I do not anymore. You can also take a person for granted. It means the same thing. Because they have been in your life for a very long time, you forget how special they really are. I wouldn't put it past them basically means that you would not be surprised if someone did something. You think that they are the type of person who might do that thing. And when we use this, we are talking about people doing bad things. Suppose someone says, I don't think she lied, but I wouldn't put it past her. That basically means, I don't think she lied, but I do think she is the type of person who might lie, so I wouldn't be surprised if she did. If someone says, I take that back, basically, they want to cancel the last thing that they said. Usually because they've realized that what they said was wrong or inappropriate. It's kind of like saying, I regret saying that, or I shouldn't have said that. Maybe you say that something is bad, but then you realize that saying that it is bad might be a little bit too strong. You might say something like, actually, I take that back. It's not bad, I just don't really like it very much. There's no such thing as is another way of saying that something is not real, or something does not exist. If someone says there's no such thing as ghosts, that means that they do not believe in ghosts. They do not think that ghosts are real. There's also the idiom, there's no such thing as a free lunch. If you hear someone say that, it basically just means that good things are not usually 100% free. So yeah, that's all for today. If you have any questions about these expressions, please let me know. Thank you for watching.